Hi, I'm Jim Mazziotti. I'm an author, speaker, trainer, and coach, and am part of Exit Realty as a realtor, leadership coach, and active in agent development at Exit Realty Elite, located in Frisco and Grapevine, Texas, two of America's fastest growing cities. I love a quote from Lori Mueller, the president of Exit Realty Corp International. She said, by connecting, investing, inspiring, and empowering others, we bring value to them. When we bring that value to someone, they will then bring that value to others. When one grows, we all grow. You just need to take that first step by investing in yourself and your dreams. For Lori, this is much more than a quote. It's her mantra. And like Lori, it is my mission to help build others to be courageous in following their dreams, just like I have followed mine. I am passionate about growing and empowering other people. I have demonstrated just that in growing a very successful startup real estate company from 0 agents to over 30 agents, and helping each discover their why and realize their own dreams. That is why I love that our brand focuses on our people. You see, Exit believes that our people are the assets to our company, and we want to help them achieve their dreams. We ask them before they join our company, what is your dream? Where do you see yourself in 1, 3, 5 years? Paint me the perfect picture. You see, we don't sell anything. We listen and we support agents to put a plan in place so they can achieve their dreams and build a legacy for their families. And we do it in 5 ways. First, we focus on the culture of our company. We work hard to provide a place to build your business along the side of others, just like you. Secondly, we work diligently to train our agents to be their very best and provide them with all the tools needed to build an extraordinary business. Third, we provide exceptional marketing tools to every agent to help them look and provide a professional image to their community. Fourth, we study and excel with technology and provide easy to use tools for every agent. And finally, our exit formula, unlike anything in the industry, that provides an on-ramp for each agent to build a business with additional income that allows each the freedom to earn additional income along with retirement and beneficiary benefits. You see, we believe in our people and our unique exit formula. The fact is, we are a family disguised as a real estate company, and we are your partner in real estate. We believe in staying connected and empowering each other because when you grow, we all grow. After building my successful real estate company in Bend, Oregon, I have set forward a new 5-year mission. You see, building and selling my real estate company in Oregon was part of a 20-year plan that began in 2006, and I was able to accomplish in just 15 years its success. Now, I've set a trajectory to accomplish my next extraordinary goal in just 5 years. I'd like to tell you how you fit into that goal. I can't wait to add value to you and your business. Yes, there is a pathway to discovering and realizing your dreams. Connect with me. Connect with me today so we can grow together. I'm Jim Mazziotti. An opportunity awaits you. Have a great day.